I'm about to lose light, so rather than wait until I get to the top and have no light, I'm doing this now. So that's where I will be, but right now I'm halfway up the mountain. So the tech industry has some problematic terminology. It has done for a very long time. And now with the Black Lives Matter movement gaining some much needed momentum, this is starting to look like it's going to change. The problem I've seen is that pretty much every project is having these conversations in isolation, and almost always they're coming with different outcomes from the next project. So I'm keen to try and get some unity between the projects, so we're all using the same terminology, there's nothing confusing about it, blah blah blah, and that will hopefully remove another barrier for the change to happen. So therefore, I have put together a survey, and this survey, the whole point of it is to gather opinions about what terminology people prefer, and then once we have that, we can then point to that whenever we're in conversations trying to work out what terminology we should be using for a given project. We can point to that and see, hey, these are the terms that people are most comfortable with. And there's also some comment boxes, so if there's particular terminology that people find problematic that I haven't foreseen, we can get feedback on that, and that can be all taken into account as well. When this is all said and done, I'm going to release that data. There's nothing personally identifiable in there. I'm using Google's, I forget what it's called. But anyway, it's essentially Google handles making sure everything's unique. So you do have to have a Google account to be able to respond, but given that the primary audience for this is the tech industry or people aspiring to be in the tech industry, it shouldn't be a problem to have a Google account. But yeah, there's nothing personally identifiable that I'm actually holding in there. Everything's optional. Yeah, I think everything's optional. There might be one or two required ones, but they'll be around the core issue. If it would be really cool to get your input into this, and also to share it around. If there's people in the tech industry who haven't seen it, it would be great to share it with them. Basically, the larger the sample size we can get, the more meaningful the statistics will be. And hopefully we can help this change happen a bit quicker and a bit smoother. Please take a look at the survey. The link will be in the description. I've got a blog post going into more detail about my motivation and what I'm trying to do with this. Where you'll see the results, all that type of stuff. That's all. Please participate and share.